Good day everyone. My name is Nino B. Betty. I am 18 years old from the province of Misamis Oriental. I'm not really good at speaking, but I'll try my best. As a former Sangguniang Kabataan counselor, I am afraid that the youth will no longer have a role in the society after being tagged as a useless and training ground for corruption in our locality. The Sangguniang Kabataan should not be abolished. It should be cured. I know based from experience that the Sangguniang Kabataan is sick, but the government should treat it with genuine reform. As ang Sangguniang Kabataan, it is an institution. It is an institution. It is the house for the youth to participate in governance. I still believe that we, the youth, is the hope of our nation. The Sangguniang Kabataan should not be abolished. It needs a reform. How can the youth will be equipped with knowledge and experiences indispensable for nation building if we are caught in the line, if we are caught in the leadership line? They say it should be abolished because we are still young and no experience. But how can we experience if the Sangguniang Kabataan will be abolished, if the youth has no power in the government? Big things start from small beginnings. As a youth which has full of dynamism, how can we perform well if we are not given the power to lead? By giving us another chance, I know we will make it. As a youth, we are committed to a much bigger purpose. Soon enough, we will take part in reliving the world, and the ways of the world may try to break or destroy us. But we are committed to lift up our moral standards in life and uphold the virtues and essential values that was learned in our past experiences as being a leader. The knowledge will not be just kept within ourselves. Sharing it to a larger boundary will be a goal kept in mind. I assure you, if we were given the chance to lead again for the next SK, I know I can't run, but for the next batch of SK, having a Sangguniang Kabataan will be new again, and a more responsible youth for tomorrow and leaders of tomorrow. That's all.